By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a cinematic short film using AI without learning editing, animation, or complex prompting. I'm not exaggerating. This isn't a video generator and it's not another AI avatar. This is an AI video agent that works exactly like ChatGPT. You chat with it, you guide it, and based on that conversation, it builds an entire film for you. You can control the story, characters, visuals, camera movement, voiceover, and sound, all through simple chat messages. And the reason this matters is because it replaces an entire AI workflow that normally takes hours and multiple tools. Inside one platform, it connects Sora 2, Veo 3.1, Seedream, Gemini, 11 Labs, and many other powerful AI models, all working together for a single project. In a moment, I'll show you a short film created with this tool. But more importantly, I'll show you exactly how you can use it yourself for free, because right now it's in beta. If you want to learn how this was made and how you can get 1,000 free credits plus 500 credits every week, make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll break it down step by step. First of all, you need to visit a website called Flova.ai. Don't worry, I'll provide the direct link in the description. Once you open the website, you'll see a Join Waitlist option. This is because you need an invite code to use this platform. Again, don't worry, I'll share my invite link in the description, and you can also get an invite code by joining their official Discord server in case my link doesn't work. As soon as you sign in using the invite code, you'll instantly receive 1,000 free credits. On top of that, Flova also gives you 500 free credits every week, so you can easily test this platform completely for free without any problem. After logging in, you'll notice that Flova already has many example videos available on the platform, and all of these videos are created using Flova itself. Some of them look genuinely impressive, almost like cinematic short films. If you open any video, you'll see an option at the bottom right called View Creation Process. By clicking on it, you can actually understand the entire workflow used to create that video. This is extremely useful if you want to learn how professional-looking AI videos are made. On the left side, you'll find the AI assistant, which works very similar to ChatGPT. You can literally talk to this AI agent and guide it step by step. In the center, you'll see the storyboard section, where you can preview how your video is progressing scene by scene. Now let's create a video from scratch so you understand everything clearly. First, simply go to the Home section. In the Prompt section, you need to enter your main idea. You can also add reference images or audio if you want. For image generation, Flova uses multiple top-tier models. And for video generation, it has access to Sora 2, Veo 3.1, Wan 2.5, and other powerful models. The best part? You don't need to manually select models. You can guide everything through chat, and the AI handles the rest. For example, I'll enter a simple prompt like this. Create a short cinematic horror film inspired by Beauty and the Beast, reimagined as a dark psychological horror story. The film should feel unsettling, emotional, and cinematic, not jump scare focused. After that, I'll click on Generate. Once you click Generate, Flova takes you to the workflow page. From here, everything happens inside the AI assistant, just like ChatGPT. The AI will first analyze your prompt and then automatically create detailed prompts for each individual scene of your video. If you feel the scene prompts look good, you simply tell the AI in chat to proceed further. Once you confirm, it starts generating visuals for each scene. And just like ChatGPT, if you like the result, continue. If you don't like the result, you can ask it to improve, change the look, lighting, mood, or style. You have full creative freedom here. This is extremely important for AI filmmaking. If you want, you can even tell the AI something like, use only the Sora 2 model for this video, and it will follow that instruction exactly. This level of control through chat is what makes this platform different from normal AI video generators. At the end, the AI generated a complete video for me, including visuals, motion, background music, narration, and sound effects. I didn't even need to manually edit the video. Let me play it for you once. And honestly, it looks really good. I'm not saying it's perfect because I created this video very quickly just for demonstration, but if you actually spend time with this tool, you can definitely create high-quality cinematic AI-generated short films. If you want to make further changes, you can even edit the video through chat. And once everything is done, you can export the project and refine it further if needed. Now let me show you another interesting option. You'll see something like Sora 2 Rich Multi. When you click on it, Flova automatically generates a pre-made prompt template. Using this, you can easily create multi-shot videos. For example, I entered a simple prompt saying, "Create an advertisement with a boy and a Coca-Cola bottle," and the AI immediately started working. The process is exactly the same. You guide everything through chat. The AI generates scene by scene. After each scene, it asks for your approval. You type "Proceed further" if everything looks good, and this is the final ad it generated. It still looks great. You might notice that in some scenes it says Hola-Cola instead of Coca-Cola. That's because of brand limitations in Sora 2, and I could easily fix this by guiding the AI again in chat. The important thing is you get full control, and the results are still impressive. This kind of chat-based AI filmmaking is something completely new. As more updates come, tools like this will improve even further. But even right now, Flova already gives us a clear hint of how powerful the future of AI filmmaking is going to be. I'm personally waiting for future updates and the full public release, but you can already test this tool today using the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found it useful, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.